What if just 3 dates a day could trigger powerful changes throughout your body, affecting your heart, brain, digestion, and even your long-term health? It may sound surprising, but this small, naturally sweet fruit has been valued for thousands of years for its remarkable nutritional benefits. As physician and nutrition researcher Dr. Michael Greger explains, whole plant foods rich in fiber and antioxidants, like dried fruits, may help support long-term health and reduce chronic disease risk. And according to researchers at the Harvard School of Public Health, diets rich in minimally processed plant foods and natural sources of fiber are consistently linked to better heart health and improved metabolic function. Packed with fiber, potassium, magnesium, and protective antioxidants, dates are far more than just a sweet snack. A single medjool date delivers quick natural energy, along with fiber, potassium, magnesium, copper, manganese, and essential B vitamins like B6. It also contains smaller but important amounts of iron and calcium, nutrients your body relies on every single day for energy production, nerve function, bone strength, and overall vitality. But before we dive deeper, I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below with your name, where you're watching from, and whether you've ever tried eating dates, especially first thing in the morning. Your experience could inspire someone else on their health journey. Now, let's unlock the truth your body has been waiting for. Number 1. Dates can transform your digestive health. If you often feel bloated, sluggish, or frustrated by irregular digestion, you're not alone. Digestive issues become increasingly common with age, and many people simply accept them as a normal part of life. But your gut may be asking for something surprisingly simple: more fiber from real, whole foods. A clinical study published in the British Journal of Nutrition found that regular date consumption can significantly improve digestive health. In this randomized controlled trial, participants who ate dates daily for just 3 weeks experienced more frequent bowel movements, better stool consistency, and improved overall digestive regularity. Researchers also observed a reduction in stool ammonia levels and lower markers of DNA damage in colon cells, important indicators of long-term colon health. That's where dates come in. Just 3 dates a day provide a valuable combination of soluble and insoluble fiber. 2 types of fiber your digestive system depends on. Soluble fiber absorbs water, helping to soften stool and support smoother digestion. Insoluble fiber adds bulk, helping waste move more efficiently through your intestines. Together, they promote regular bowel movements and help relieve occasional constipation naturally. But the benefits go even deeper. Dates also act as a natural prebiotic, nourishing the beneficial bacteria in your gut. A healthier gut microbiome has been linked to stronger immunity, lower inflammation, better nutrient absorption, and even improved mood. And here's what makes this especially exciting. When your gut starts working better, the benefits don't stay in your digestive system. They ripple throughout your entire body, including your brain, which we'll explore next. Number 2. Dates may help protect your brain. What's good for your gut is often good for your brain, and dates are a perfect example. Scientists now know that chronic inflammation and oxidative stress play a major role in age-related cognitive decline, memory loss, and neurodegenerative diseases. Dates are naturally rich in powerful antioxidants, including flavonoids, carotenoids, and phenolic acids. These compounds help neutralize harmful free radicals before they can damage brain cells. In other words, they act like a protective shield for your brain. Research published in the Neural Regeneration Research found that date fruit supplementation significantly reduced inflammatory markers in the brain while improving learning and memory performance in animal models. Researchers observed lower levels of beta-amyloid proteins, the same proteins associated with Alzheimer's disease. Dates also contain small amounts of choline, an essential nutrient involved in neurotransmitter production, memory formation, and healthy nervous system function. While human studies are still emerging, the early evidence is highly encouraging. And here's the exciting part. Protecting your brain today may help preserve your independence, memory, and mental sharpness for years to come. But dates don't just support how you think, they may also influence how you feel physically every day, especially when it comes to your heart and circulation. Number 3. Dates support heart health and natural energy. If you struggle with low energy, fatigue, or occasional weakness during the day, your body might be asking for better fuel, not just more caffeine or sugar. This is where dates offer something unique, a combination of fast energy and long-lasting nutritional support. Dates are naturally rich in potassium and magnesium, two minerals essential for maintaining a healthy heartbeat and proper muscle function. Potassium helps balance sodium levels in the body, which supports healthy blood pressure, while magnesium helps relax blood vessels and supports smooth cardiovascular function. Beyond minerals, dates provide natural sugars like glucose and fructose, which are quickly absorbed and used by the body for immediate energy. But unlike refined sugar, this energy comes packaged with fiber, which slows absorption and helps prevent sudden energy crashes. According to findings discussed in the Harvard T.H. Chan School of Public Health Nutrition Research Summaries, diets rich in minimally processed plant foods and natural fiber sources are consistently associated with improved cardiovascular outcomes and better metabolic health markers. What makes dates especially interesting is how this energy support doesn't just affect your body, it also impacts your daily performance. Many people report feeling more stable energy levels when they replace processed snacks with whole foods like dates. And here's where it gets even more important. While dates can strongly support your heart and energy, there is a hidden side most people overlook, especially when it comes to blood sugar, weight management, and daily intake limits. Now, before you assume dates are a perfect superfood, there's something important you need to understand, because even the most natural foods can have downsides when they are not eaten correctly. One of the biggest concerns is blood sugar impact. According to a comprehensive review published in the journal Nutrients, MDPI, dates have a glycemic index ranging from moderate to high depending on variety and ripeness, meaning they can still raise blood glucose levels, especially when consumed in large portions or by individuals with insulin sensitivity issues. This is why people with conditions like type 2 diabetes are often advised to control portion size carefully. Another important factor is calorie density. Data from the USDA Food Data Central shows that just a few medjool dates can provide over 200 calories, making them one of the most energy-dense natural fruits commonly eaten. While this is useful for energy, it can become a hidden problem for weight management if intake is not controlled. From a digestive perspective, studies published in the British Journal of Nutrition also note that rapid increases in fiber intake, as suddenly adding multiple dates per day can temporarily cause bloating, gas, or discomfort as gut bacteria adapt to the change in fiber load. There's also a cardiovascular angle. Research from Harvard T.H. Chan School of Public Health highlights that although fiber-rich foods are beneficial for heart health, portion control is still essential because excess calorie intake can counter metabolic benefits if overall diet balance is poor. And finally, potassium content matters. Clinical nutrition sources warn that individuals with kidney-related conditions may need to monitor high-potassium foods like dates, as impaired kidney function can affect potassium regulation in the body. So, here's the real question. If dates are so powerful, what is the exact daily amount that gives you benefits without triggering these risks? That's exactly what we'll uncover next. In simple terms, most research and nutrition data suggest that 2-3 dates a day are enough for general health support, providing fiber, potassium, magnesium, and quick natural energy without overloading your system with excess sugar or calories. According to data from the USDA Food Data Central, just 2 to 3 medjool dates already provide a strong dose of fiber, potassium, and natural energy while keeping calories manageable for daily use. If you have higher energy demands, such as athletes, physically active individuals, or people with busy routines, 3-5 dates per day may be more appropriate to sustain performance and stamina throughout the day. However, if your goal is blood sugar control, weight management, or metabolic balance, keeping intake on the lower side is generally recommended. Findings discussed in the British Journal of Nutrition also show that health benefits like improved digestion and bowel regularity were observed with moderate intake, not excessive consumption, highlighting that you don't need large quantities to see results. But here's what most people overlook: how you combine dates can completely change how your body processes them. The way you eat dates can significantly change how your body responds to them. Since dates are rich in natural sugars, eating them alone can give quick energy but may also lead to faster spikes and drops in blood sugar. To avoid this, Pairing dates with protein or healthy fats like nuts, peanut butter, or yogurt helps slow digestion and creates more stable energy levels. This also improves fullness and reduces cravings. Timing also matters. Eating dates in the morning or before physical activity allows your body to efficiently use their natural glucose for energy instead of fat storage. So what have we really learned about dates? This small, naturally sweet fruit is far more than just a snack. From supporting digestion and gut health, to providing steady energy, essential minerals, and even potential heart and brain benefits, dates can play a powerful role in your daily diet when used correctly. But the key takeaway is balance. The benefits come from moderation, not excess, and how you combine and time them can completely change their effect on your body. Now, I'm curious, have you ever tried eating dates regularly, or is this something new for you? Share your experience in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more science-backed health insights that can transform your everyday life in simple, practical ways.